Welcome back, Crammers, to question 10. ABC is an isosceles triangle with BA is equal to BC. N is on the point of AC such that A to N is 9.3 centimeters and BN is perpendicular to AC. This is a perfect 90 degrees. Work out the perimeter of the triangle ABC. Give your answer correct to three significant figures. So we can see that AB and BC are equal to each other. So that means if we can find the perimeter of AB plus AN and multiply that by 2, we can find the perimeter of the whole triangle. So first we have to find this hypotenuse right here. Find the hypotenuse, we can use either SO, KA, TOA. And notice here that we have the adjacent, the hypotenuse, and angle. So we look for any which fit that description. So we cancel out so, we cancel out TOA, and we have Ka. So cos angle, which is 38, is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So that's 9.3 over hypotenuse. We don't know what hypotenuse is. So that means hypotenuse is equal to 9.3 divided by cos 38. We can find out what the hypotenuse is using our calculator. 9.3 divided by cos 38. 11.8. Write that. 11.8. And since this is 11.8 and sides A, B, and BC are equal to each other, that means this is also 11.8. And AN is equal to NC. So that means this is also 9.3. We can combine 11.8 and 9.3 and multiply by 2 to find the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 2 times 11.8 plus 9.3. We can put that into a calculator to find their answer. So we have 11.8 plus 9.3 times 2. We get 42.2 centimeters. 42.2 centimeters, which is correct to three significant figures. So that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.